Welcome back to another video. Today we got a special video from Halloween. We're shopping for Halloween decorations and looking at what they have for Halloween. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals, and more Halloween stuff. Let's go ahead and get started. Yeah, as you guys could see, they got some nice Halloween decorations here. They got all sorts of different decorations. I like that boat. It looks really realistic. It's huge too. So the pirate ship LED. So maybe it has some lights that light up at night. And these are full-size decorations here. They're actually taller than me. But yeah, as you can see here, Home Depot does have a lot of Halloween decorations. I just can't believe how fast the year's going, and pretty much Halloween's around the corner. But yeah, it is the end of August. Will be September, so I guess it's time now. But yeah, as you can see, they got the prices there if you guys want to look at the prices for the different decorations. And then they got big inflatables. I mean, these things are huge, and they do have movement. Some of them do have movement, but yeah, some of these inflatables are super huge and very colorful too. So depends on what your likes or likings and how much space you have to put the decorations in there. The Three Witches it's a nice setup there. Yeah, it's a nice big decorations there. You got some accessories there for the smoke machine, some light bulbs, and that is the smoke machine, I guess. Some more smaller decorations, and there's a chainsaw down there, as you guys see. Yeah, if you guys like these videos, these Halloween videos, let me know, or hit the like button. Let me know in the comments if you guys want me to make more Halloween videos. I do, like doing these videos, but if you guys don't like them, then this is probably the last Halloween video that I will be doing. Look at that camera. It's just so funny. And this chair with this witch. Yeah, that pirate ship, I think it's a really nice decoration for $3.29. There's some more pirates right there. Some more inflatables with lights, projectors. So I guess it does have like a projector in there, so you can project whatever you want. There are different types of things they could show. Yeah, I guess over the years, decorations have evolved. Pretty much, we're using lights like projector lights, and I guess it's one of the bigger. Even for Christmas, we're seeing a lot of projector lights, because it's the new thing and it looks nice, I guess. But yeah, those are really nice. You just put them on your house. And you got some light bulbs here. It just depends on what your likings are. $14.98 for the budget. If you don't want to spend a lot of money, you can just buy maybe a couple of these and just decorate your house, not spend so much. And these dogs, yeah, these dogs and these skeletons. A big old tarantula, big old spider, and some. I like the boat.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet.
Yeah.
I got with the spirit, we got the big clown.
Oh yeah.
He's the old one that came out a while ago, but he's 8 foot tall.
Oh yeah.
We had a 20% discount, so I think I spent $150 for him.
Yeah. Nice.
Very excited.
That's the best way to get it, discounts, you know. You seen those over there? Those huge ones? You seen those huge ones over there? Yeah, they're nice. Yeah, these are kind of scary there. Yeah, more Halloween free shipping, I guess. So I guess you guys could buy all this at online. And I was just looking at this voltage box, meter box. Looks kind of nice. It has all the wires sticking out and everything. Like if the power went out. And I guess these are the hanging ones, the ones you can hang and they just maybe make some noise or something. Some pumpkins. That camera's taking my picture. And then you get those that chainsaw. It's a great place to sell a chainsaw at Home Depot. So funny. They even got a chainsaw down there.
Oh yeah.
It's just so funny.
This guy do.
Yeah. Anyways, just thought I shared this with you guys. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.